Kenall leads the cleanroom and containment lighting industry with luminaires that are sealed and certified to perform with long LED lifetimes. For manufacturers with light reactive applications, Kenall also provides high-quality 570 nanometer amber LED lighting. Ordinary white light contains UV and other wavelengths of damaging light. Certain applications require special lighting that eliminates these damaging wavelengths. Kenall understands the need for this specialized non-UV lighting and offers SimpleSeal Amber LED luminaires as the solution. Applications that can benefit from this special lighting are cleanrooms, laboratories, healthcare facilities, and pharma. Today, lighting specifiers are most familiar with native amber LED light fixtures. Because native amber LED solutions are poor performing, leading to compromised light quality and short LED life, Kenall is proud to offer a superior technology with the use of phosphor-converted, or PC amber, 570 nanometer amber LEDs. There are many benefits to using 570 nanometer amber light. Protects photosensitive processes used in semiconductor manufacturing and nanotechnology research. Prevents damage to light-sensitive ingredients in pharmaceutical manufacturing and compounding. Increases cell viability during in vitro fertilization procedures, and reduces possible damage to delicate DNA during stem cell transplants. Are you considering native amber LED fixtures? Or are you still using aging filters? Contact Kenall today about our energy-efficient, long-life LED amber solutions. Explore Kenall's full line of 570 nanometer amber luminaires at Kenall.com. Kenall, leading the way in cleanroom lighting solutions.